Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand the search and find function from Microsoft Excel. Basically, the search and find function are both used to locate the position of certain character, are used to locate the position of the first character from a given text string. So basically, both the function work in the same way, but there is one major difference between the search and find function. The search function is not case sensitive, while the find function is case sensitive. So let's understand by going through the formulas. Starting with search, press equal sign, write search. Here we want to search the word A. So write the A between the inverted commas, or you can link to the reference directly as well. So, comma, select the cell from where you want to find the location. Close the parenthesis, press enter. As you see that the word A is the first character in the cell. The same way find function works. Write find. We are searching A, comma, select the cell. As you see that it is also giving the same result. So again, for the second cell search, we can directly link to the reference as well. So select that we are searching 1 to 4, so, comma, cell, close the parenthesis. You see, the 1 to 4 is the first character. 1 is starting from the 7th position. The location is the 7th character. So the same way find function works. Select 1 to 4, select the cell from where you want to know the position, close the parenthesis. They're working in the same way. But as I told you, search is case sensitive, search is not case sensitive, and find is case sensitive. Let's see. Search, select Arab, we are going to search Arab, comma, the cell where we want to search Arab. Close the parenthesis. Arab is starting from the 8th character. Arab is written with small letter, and in the cell it is written with capital letter. But this function has searched the position correctly. So let's see the same for find. Find Arab, select the cell from where you're going to find Arab. Close the parenthesis. Look, as I told you that the find is case sensitive. So in this case, the A is small, and in A6, the A of Arab is capital. So find function will not search the case sensitive words. Let's see if we are changing this to capital. This will work fine. So this was all for today. If you like the video, please share and subscribe and hit the bell icon as well. Thank you very much.